In this video, we'll share some best practices for running a successful retrospective in Miro, and how to help teams hold themselves accountable. To get started, choose a retro template from our library. You can, of course, customize it to fit your needs. For example, you may want to add a next step section to the 4 L's, or clarify the objectives of the framework. Adjusting the descriptions of these sections can change the type of feedback your team generates, and is a great way to help teams new to retrospectives learn how to contribute. Save this as a custom template for later. As time goes on, add each new retrospective to the same board, utilizing frames to keep things organized. Miro's infinite canvas allows you to keep everything in one place, so you can search for patterns and trends. If engagement proves to be a problem, try providing each team member with a separate workspace. Lock down their area so they can easily copy their stickies. Once everything is ready, have the team clarify anything vague, and then group the contributions into themes. A large sticky note is good for naming the groups. Next, the voting session allows the team to anonymously choose the items that are most important to them. Select the area of the board with the team retro, and limit voting to the sticky note object. If your team is working asynchronously, set the voting window to several days to allow team members to vote when they have time. Once the time is up, the votes are shown in descending order. The results of any past voting session can be reviewed by anyone with access to the board. But of course, the work isn't done yet. Voting has identified the most urgent issues, but now Miro's Kanban will help you monitor progress. This feature is perfect for keeping team improvement tasks in one place and separate from actual development work that lies in a tool like Jira. You can, of course, use our task tracker integrations to keep the two systems in sync. We hope these strategies will help you and your team continually grow every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.